Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change like button to follow button on Facebook page. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Facebook account and go to your Facebook page. You can do this by clicking your profile icon at the top right and selecting the page you want to manage. Once on your page, look for the options like Edit, Manage, and Advertise. You might notice an Edit Action button option. Clicking this allows you to customize the buttons on your page. In the past, you could add a follow button here, but with recent Facebook updates, that option is no longer available. Facebook has merged the like and follow buttons into one, so when someone likes your page, they automatically become a follower. This means there is no separate follow button anymore. So if you were wondering how to change the like button to a follow button on your Facebook page, unfortunately, you can't anymore. The functions are combined under the like button now. So that's basically how you can change like button to follow button on Facebook page. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.